Alright guys, so today I have a Pusheen Surprise Minis mystery box. I'm really excited for these. I've been collecting them since I was about 8. Some people say they didn't exist back then, but you know, who cares? God, I love the colors. Look at that. You can see, if you look really close, you can see all the different guys that you could get. So get a close shot up in there. You can see all of them. Look at that. Yeah, there's one in the nightgown, and there's a pink one. And God, that's gonna be great. Look at those colors. I love that. It's got a nice texture to it, and if you feel it in your hand, the weight's really nice. It's great. So, all right, let's get to it. I love that. That's great. Okay. Yep. Okay, that's what I thought. It's got one of those opaque bags, so it's a surprise. You don't know what it's going to be. It's one of those bags that's made out of some kind of foil, I guess. And
hey, Eric.
What?
Eric.
What?
What are you doing?
Dad, I'm in my room. We had a deal. You weren't going to talk to me when I was in my fucking room.
Eric, are you making one of them boxes?
Shut up, Dad! Shut up! I'm going to go live with Mom.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and open the bag now. Give ourselves a nice sharp knife. I've got a sharp knife, and we're gonna cut into this. We're gonna cut into this bad boy, and yeah, oh, there we go. Yep, like butter. All right. Oh, I'm getting so excited. All right, about to look inside the bag, and oh, it's fuzzy. It feels nice. And there.
You want a salad? Do you, buddy?